Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Biological Domain. Today we are going to learn some interesting things which are very difficult to understand and very interesting also. So what is that term? That is genetics. What the genetic means? Study of genes. What is genes? That is the character or traits inherited from parents to daughter or son. What is that character which are inherited from parents to their daughter or son? That are color of eye, hair, etc. And in this chapter, we have come across 3 points in which we confuse always. That is chromatids, chromosome and genes. Actually, they all are same, but in a structure they are different. So today we are going to study the structure of these structure, these parts of gene, these parts of genetics, means what is chromatid, how they form chromosome, what is gene, what is DNA, all things we are going to crystal clear. So let's start. So first of all, we have to draw one cell, which is basic to understand anything. So I am making the cell. This is cell membrane, and under this there is a circle which is known as nucleus, and there is a nucleolus. And what inside the nucleus present? That is chromatid, which I am going to draw it. So start from the black color so you will better understood. This is what this is? This is chromatid, which is present in thread-like structure. This is chromatid. So, have you understood? This is chromatid. This is nucleus. And after the cell division, we have studied in earlier classes the first part that divide is nucleus. So, it divide from here. So, is it possible to divide with this thread, with this untangled thread? Is it possible? No, it can't be possible to divide like this. So, for dividing in cell division, we have to draw one more cell here. After for dividing, they first of all they make their copy. Means if it is a, I am understanding this is trade, and this will make another copy of this. In interface we have studied, means like that they will make, and they are arranged here. So after that when they will divide, so they are going to condensate. So what is condensation of chromatid? Let's see. Before condensing, they are going to make like this type of a structure. Means this, you have seen the telephone wire. This will make like that. This means they are going to condensate like a telephone thread like a structure. So after this they are look like they look like this. This is what this is? This is chromosome. Chromosome. And here is a nucleus. So you have seen, and this part, this and this both part are sister chromatids. They both are sister chromatid. Let's understand further. So this is one sister chromatid, and there is a pair. So let's draw one pair also. This is one pair, and we can see this is another pair. This is another pair. This is one pair of, sorry, this is not another pair, this is another chromosome. So that make both pair. So that are sister chromatids, and when we show this black and this red, that are non-sister chromatid. Have you seen that how chromatid material gone after cell division makes this type of chromosome? After condensation of chromatids, it make chromosome. So what about gene? Let's understand it also. So for this we have to take another page. So are this visible? So see, this is gene. This is what this is? This is gene. And this thread which make entangled, which they condensate, is chromosome. Together they are chromosome. And if we see under this, see, this is what this one thread? This is chromatid. and after combining, this is chromosome, and this structure, this is gene, and in this there are small beads like a structure, that is DNA. Have you understood? So what did make? That is one pair. We had to go. That is another pair. That both are chromosome pair. Are you watching? That are chromosome pair, and after coiling this has made. So what that this means? These are chromatid, and this small structure, this is gene, and these both are homologous chromosome. Homologous chromosome, and what all, and there is a like this structure, means this here also. This makes what that is, that are genes, and in this there are some small molecules which make together genes, and these small molecules are known as DNA. So what is the smallest unit of heredity? That is DNA. But we can say the gene is the smallest structural and functional unit of heredity. And both pair are sister chromatid. Sister chromatid. And they both another color, that are non-sister, because they all are separate. They both are separate, non-sister chromatid. So when they are present like this, when they are in initial stage, they are present like this. Okay, so can you write all these terms in detail? How that means you can see that DNA make genes, genes make DNA is made up of genes, and genes are made up of chromosome, and chromosome are formed from condensation of chromatid. I hope you have understood this, what I have taught, chromatids. So if you understand these topics, and it's crystal clear to all of you, so if you like this video, please like, subscribe and share. Thank you.